Viewers, it's one of the worst tragedies in India's aviation history. The investigation into the Ahmedabad plane crash is in full swing. Efforts are now being made to ascertain what actually went wrong. In the meantime, there is grief in Ahmedabad. Grief has struck families of 241 people who were on board the ill-fated plane. Their lives will never be the same. They are in pain even as authorities are working to identify mortal remains through DNA testing to hand it over to their respective families. But the process, viewers, is going to take a lot of time. So this entire day, these last 28 odd hours have been extremely painful for the family members of these 241 victims, 241 passengers, crew members who were inside this particular aircraft. Remember, there has just been one survivor. DNA samples are being collected from the family members to match and identify their loved ones. On Blueprint Explosive Exclusive this evening, we are going to focus on victims and their distraught families, including the crew members who were on the Air India plane that crashed. Let's start with the pilot in command. The pilot in command of the ill-fated flight was Sumit Sabharwal, who had promised his old and ailing father that he was going to step away from his job soon and will take care of his 90-year-old father. He was the senior most out of the 12 crew members on the plane, but he is gone today, leaving his family and loved ones in pain and anguish.
A pilot who was just few months away from his retirement has unfortunately lost his life in the tragic airplane crash happened in Ahmedabad. We are currently in Powai, where Captain Sumit Sabharwal used to live for years. This is the locality where the captain lived for many years, and he was the senior most crew member on board on the ill-fated Air India flight that crashed shortly after takeoff from Ahmedabad. Now, Captain Sabharwal had dedicated decades of his life to aviation, logging over 8,100 hours of flying experience. He had been living in Jalvayu Vihar with his 88-year-old father, and he is also survived by his elder sister, who currently resides in Delhi. Now, according to the neighbors, Sumit was looking forward to stepping away from his active duty to spend more hours with the family, to take care of his father after he has also lost his mother 2-3 years back. Now the Mumbai police is coordinating with the family to get the DNA sample for testing, and the family is yet to get any update on when Sumit's mortal remains will be brought here in Mumbai.
तो हमें इस बारे में बहुत दुख है कि हमारे अच्छे पायलट जो सुमित अग्रवाल और हमारे साथ दररोज बातचीत करते थे, घूमते थे, वो अब चल बसे हैं, अब इस दुनिया में नहीं है। और हम अब उनसे बात करना हमारा तो दूर ही रहा, पर अभी उनसे मिलना भी हमें अस्तित्व नहीं है। यही बस हमें बहुत दुख है इस बात का।
Viewers, there were 12 cabin crew members on board. One among them was Deepak Pathak, who had last spoken to his mother in the afternoon, just before the flight took off. The family hasn't received any news about him and is just, hopeful, is just clinging on to hope. The family says Deepak's phone rang after they tried contacting him after the news reached them, but no one answered it.
अहमदाबाद से जो फ्लाइट है वो यूएस लंदन पे वो जा रहा है, उसने बताया था, मम्मी के साथ बात किया उसने। फिर मम्मी ने देखा तो बोली ये तो दीपक तो यही फ्लाइट पे गया है, तो इसके लिए वो सबको फिर बुलाया, इसको फोन किया, मुझे तो किया, मुझे बाद में फोन किया। सगा भाई है मेरा, एक लौता भाई है। क्या लगता था, बहुत उसने मेहनत की, टैलेंटेड लड़का हम लोगों ने देखा नहीं है, बस उसने बहुत मेहनत की है, उसकी मेहनत हम लोगों ने कभी देखी नहीं है।
And before her flight to London, Air India crew member Maithili Patil had made a final call, making a promise to her father that she will call him once she reaches London. But the call never came. Patil joined Air India 2 years ago only, the daughter of an ONGC labour contractor who earns just 20,000 rupees per month. Maithili was the hope for the family. Maithili gave hope to the family that their financial situation will soon improve. And today, what the family is left with, only tears.
एक्चुअली न्यूज़ से ही पता चला हमको, मीडिया से, सरकार से वगैरह कुछ नहीं, मीडिया से ही मिला हमको। ना कंपनी ने फोन किया हमको, कुछ नहीं किया। जब न्यूज मिला, नाम आया मैथिली पाटिल, मालूम था कि वो जा रहे करके। माँ के साथ उसने बात किया 1:10 को कि आई एम गोइंग टू लंदन दिस फ्लाइट, और बस उतना। दिल्ली से वो अपना बताई, परसों भी दिल्ली गई थी, परसों दिल्ली से अहमदाबाद इधर।
आखिरी बात उनकी अपनी माँ से हुई थी।
1:10 को हो गया बात, बाद में टेकअप हुआ ना बस।
उनकी माँ के अलावा और परिवार में कितने लोग हैं और कौन कौन है परिवार में?
पप्पा है, एक बड़ी छोटी बहन है, छोटा भाई है। छोटी बहन भी बीटेक कर रही है फाइनल, और भाई है 10th पास हुआ।
जिस तरह से हमें पता चला, मैथिली ने बहुत मेहनत की थी जहां वो पहुंची वहां जाने के लिए। किस तरह
बहुत
से
मेहनत
उसका
की।
struggle रहा?
उसका पिताजी को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेबर में ONGC में अराउंड 20,000 पर मंथ मिलता है उनको सैलरी। उसके बावजूद भी उन्होंने पूरा ये करके उसको पढ़ाया, छोटी को बीटेक में डाला है। तो बहुत स्ट्रगल किया, फाइनेंशियल बहुत स्ट्रगल किया। और बाद में वो अभी जस्ट टेकअप वो कर रही थी, वो भी फैमिली मेंबर हो गए।
अहमदाबाद को जिस तरह से कई लोगों के परिवार पहुंच चुके हैं, क्या मैथिली के परिवार से भी कुछ लोग अहमदाबाद गए?
हाँ, मैथिली की माँ है, मामा है, भांजा है।
इसके बाद अब आपको क्या कुछ अपडेट दिया गया है सरकार?
वहाँ से मिल अभी रात को लगता है DNA टेस्ट होगा। बाद में बस 11 बजे से चालू आया, आज 1 घंटा रुको 2 घंटा रुको, तो अभी वो लगता है 22 आवर्स बताया कि DNA टेस्ट का रिपोर्ट आएगा, बाद पता चला। बस
बचपन से उसने कई सारे सपने देखे रहेंगे इस तरह।
यही सपना था उसका, यही सपना था कि बस एक बार एयर होस्टेस बनूं, बस बन गई।
And joining us on the broadcast right now are my colleagues who are currently reporting live from outside the civil hospital in Ahmedabad, where a lot of these family members are looking for the mortal remains, and those who got injured are being treated. Let me go across to Shivani. Shivani, over to you. Shivani, can you hear me?
Oh, well, yes, I can hear you right now.
Go ahead. Tell us what is the situation like right now? Have you spoken to people around? Because DNA sampling is now the thing that, you know, is quite challenging also. Family members are also in tears.
Well, indeed, we are at the point where the DNA sampling is taking place, and multiple families have taken the mortal remains of their, family members. Those have got deceased in this very particular plane blast. But now the plane crash incident continues on larger level. I have a family member with me right now. These are brother. Those have lost their brother, sister-in-law, and in fact nephews as well. जावेद, सबसे पहले ये बताएं कि इम्तियाज, आप ये बताएं कि आपकी कौन-कौन से लोग इस फैमिली में लॉस हुए हैं, आप लोगों को कब पता चला और आखिरी बात कब हुई थी?
वेल, मेरा भाई था, छोटा भाई, वो जावेद अली सैयद उसका नाम था। उसकी वाइफ थी मरियम अली सैयद, 2 किड थे, उनके 2 बच्चे थे, वो भी वही सेम फ्लाइट में थे। और मेरे को लाइक न्यूज़ में आया, मेरी सिस्टर को और फ्रेंड में भी मालूम पड़ा कि अहमदाबाद से कोई फ्लाइट क्रैश हुई है।
हाँ।
तो उसके मतलब चाहने वाले इतने थे कि ना, सबको मालूम था ये आया है और ये जाने वाला है। तो जब फ्लाइट क्रैश हुई तो फ़ोन आया घर पे कि ये फ्लाइट क्रैश हुई है, शायद इसमें जावेद था, या जरा पता करो।
हाँ।
तो हम लोग ने पता करे तो वो उसी में ही निकला, कि उसी में था। तो मैं वो छोड़ के निकल गया वहाँ से विदिन एन आवर।
यहाँ वो लंदन में ही रहते थे, यहाँ पर आए थे या यहाँ से रहवासी थे?
एक्चुअली वो 11 इयर्स पहले ही यूके चला गया था पढ़ाई के बेस पे, और वहाँ पे वो सेटल्ड हो गया था। उसके बाद ब्रिटिश पासपोर्ट भी था, और वहाँ पे उसकी शादी भी हुई, उसके 2 बच्चे भी वहीं थे। तो वो मम्मी से मिलने आया था। मेरी मम्मी को माइनर अटैक आया था, उनको ब्लॉकेजेस थे, तो स्टेन डले थे। जब वो यहाँ नहीं था तो मैंने सब करवा दिया था। तो एक और स्टेन डलवाना था, डॉक्टर ने कंसल्ट किया वीक 2 वीक्स के बाद। तो वो आया था कि मैं पूरा अभी प्रॉपर देखता हूँ, समझता हूँ, फिर अपन कराते साथ में। और ईद का टाइम है तो अपन एक अच्छा सा माहौल बनाते, मम्मी के लिए क्रिएट करते, ताकि हैप्पीली उनको अच्छा हो जाए। तो बस वही रीजन था उसका आने का, कि मम्मी के साथ कुछ वक्त अच्छे से बिता ले वो।
अभी आपने आपके डीएनए सैंपलिंग्स दे दी है, आपका इस पूरे क्रैश को लेकर क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन है? यहाँ पे प्रोसेस भी काफी तेजी से चल रहा है। हालांकि
कोई तेजी से नहीं चल रहा मैम, मैंने कल रात को डीएनए सैंपल्स दे दिया हूँ और ऑलरेडी लोग पहले से दे चुके हैं, लेकिन मॉर्निंग में आज सिर्फ 6 पीपल को बॉडी उन्होंने दी है और आज सबको बुलाए थे। तो मेरे को कुछ और बात अकोमोडेशन के रिगार्डिंग बुलाए थे, तो मैं पहुंचा उधर पे, तो मेरे को बताया गया कि संडे को रिपोर्ट देंगे। मतलब इन्होंने अनाउंस किया कि संडे को रिपोर्ट देंगे और 2 दिन के बाद। और सेकेंड थिंग मेरा ये एयर इंडिया से भी मतलब मेरा ये है कि ये सवाल है कि ये मतलब किसको ब्लेम करे, एयर इंडिया में अपन किसको ब्लेम करें, किसने ओके किया था प्लेन को? ऑलरेडी एयर इंडिया के, मैंने आज ही न्यूज में देखा, ऑलरेडी 2 बार भी हादसे हो चुके हैं। ये एयर इंडिया के साथ ही क्यों होता है?
The family members of those who lost their lives are angry, and there is a lot of disappointment also because of how things unfolded, the way plane crashed. Nobody really knows. Of course, probe is something that's going to tell us what really went wrong. But right now, what they're looking for is the mortal remains of their loved ones. And Shivani, thank you for that. I'll come back to my other colleagues in just a bit. But meanwhile, let's also talk about Harpreet Kaur, another passenger who lost the life in this plane crash. Harpreet Kaur was going to London to meet her husband. She initially had planned to leave on 19th of June, but she preponed her ticket to 12th of June because she wanted to join her husband in London for his birthday. Before leaving for London, everyone sent her congratulatory messages, even spoke to her on the phone. But on 12th of June, they heard about the tragic plane crash news on TV.
ये पहले 19 तारीख को लंदन जा रही थी, क्योंकि बेटे का जन्मदिन 16 तारीख का था, तो उन्होंने 12 तारीख की टिकट कराई। हाँ, इनके पति का जन्मदिन 16 तारीख का है, रॉबी हो रहा, तो 12 तारीख की टिकट कराई। और सब ने उनके जाने के पहले सब ने उनको बधाई संदेश दिए। व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी है हमारे पारिवारिक, उसमें भी बधाई दिए, लाइव बात भी हुई सबकी फ़ोन लगा के। और उसके बाद सीधा न्यूज़ चैनल के माध्यम से मालूम पड़ी ये दुखद घटना। 19 तारीख का प्लान था, टिकट नहीं कराया था, तो बेटे ने जिद करी कि नहीं, मेरा जन्मदिन तो आप आ जाओ, कहीं घूमने चलेंगे। रॉबी जी ने बुलाया। हाँ, तो 12 तारीख को उन्होंने टिकट कराया था।
These are heartbreaking stories that we have got today from the ground. But viewers, it's not just those who were inside this particular aircraft who died in the crash. The plane turned into a ball of fire after it crashed into the Medical College hostel building. Several of the medical students and others who were in the building or in the nearby buildings were impacted by the crash, and they also lost their lives. One among them is a 13-year-old boy, Akash, who had gone to the medical college to deliver lunch to his mother when this unfortunate incident took place.
Just meters away from the BJ Medical College is a residential area that has also been impacted by the air tragedy. While the passengers have lost their lives, over 241 of them who were on board the flight, with one miraculous survivor. It's not the same tale of one 13-year-old who had gone with a lunchbox to meet his mother, who was working in the BJ Medical College. So here it is a pall of gloom with the family members here. Talking about the 13-year-old, they're still waiting for the body to arrive. आपको कब पता चला कि आकाश को ऐसा हो गया? हाँ,
पहले उसकी माँ को खाना लेने गया, खाना देके दोनों माँ बेटे ने खाया खाना। उसकी मम्मी उसको बोले बेटा तू यहाँ बैठ, मैं घर जाके आती। और घर जाके आई तो उसने देखा कि प्लेन गिरा है, अपने घर में गिरा है। वहाँ देखा तो बड़ा प्लेन गिरा था, तो लड़का वहाँ सोया था, खटिए पे। तो एकदम से वो पत्थर आया, वो बलून का पत्थर आता है, वो ऐसे पवन से आ गया तो बच्चे को यहाँ लग गया। बच्चा
And let me now go across to my colleague Pratibha, who is joining us live right now. Pratibha, you were speaking with the family members of Akash, the 13-year-old victim of this plane crash, who was not inside the plane but was outside and became a victim. Can you tell us a little bit about the total number of people who are injured because of this plane crash, who are still getting treated in the hospital? Have we got anything from the officials there?
So no official number has been given yet, Hina. I'm outside the civil hospital where, since morning it's been the same story of families who have been waiting. It's a race against time. DNA sampling being conducted, and in this case in particular, because of the bodies being charred beyond recognition, it's all the more difficult, all the more challenging for the doctors here. So what they're depending on is the dental DNA, because the teeth are the hardest part of the body. So that is what they're looking at to identify the bodies very quickly as it is possible. So the process that is being followed is to take the sampling of the DNA from the family members who arrive here and then match it with the DNA that they have received from the spot. Multiple charred bodies that have been found. When I spoke to the family members as well, they said that, eyewitnesses as well, who said that they saw a ball of fire race towards it and they could only see several bodies that had been burned completely, that they helped in the rescue efforts.
Pratibha, I'm interrupting you there. Let me go across to Nilesh as well. Nilesh, now DNA matching, that is a daunting task, and we can see how even the family members are getting very anxious. Tell us what you're seeing around you.
Well, yes, it is a massive task for the authorities as well, because just like Pratibha was pointing out, that DNA sampling becomes quite a challenge when you have very less of body to track. But at moment, as we are reporting, I'm standing outside the civil hospital, where behind me is the post-mortem department, and since several hours, for past few hours, all we can see is ambulance running up and down. Countless number of ambulances is what we can see into the premises running up and down. What we are learning is that the bodies are being shifted from here. One, for the factor that the cold storage facility is not as much as it should be, the numbers that is seen here. And second thing is that the DNA sampling test is also being conducted. Meanwhile, we also try to speak to several family members.
Right, and we've been getting those reactions as well. For now, thank you very much, Pratibha and Nilesh. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs. Heading into a short break, more updates on the other side. Stay with us.